I'm doing a very special margarita today. It's a hibiscus margarita. I found these wild hibiscus in syrup, which is a really cool product. It's available online. And if you can't get them, which is impossible, you could actually make really dark hibiscus tea and then add simple syrup to that.
Hibiscus tea everyone can get, and hibiscus tea plus all the ingredients in John's basic margarita would be a fine substitute. Good, good thinking.
Right, you'll make like a hibiscus tea simple syrup. But we're lucky enough to have these flowers. So we are going to do Patron. We're using silver Blanco tequila. I'm using Patron, but you can use whatever brand you like. We're going to add lime juice, because you can't have a margarita without fresh squeezed lime juice.
Not sour mix, real lime juice.
No, sour mix. Boo, hiss. Gotta be actual lime juice. And this comes with this delicious syrup. I'm just going to pour it right in there. Let's see if we can get a close-up of that, because it's really pretty. Just pouring it right in there. And that will sweeten up the drink and also give it this beautiful red color. Now here comes the part of the show when I spill ice all over the counter.
Oh my God.
And there it goes. So that's it. Very simple. 3 things: hibiscus syrup, lime juice, silver tequila. Shake it till it's cold. And I have some nice ice-filled, chilled copper mugs here. You can use rocks glasses. You can use...
You are going to put some hibiscus in there too, right?
Well, you didn't get this. She's spoiling the ending. This is a big surprise ending. You can serve it straight up if you'd like.
I want mine on the rocks.
That's what I'm doing. I'm doing them on the rocks. Oh, that looks so good. And now, for the garnish, I'm going to take out one of these beautiful hibiscus flowers. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And plop it right in the drink.
I'm coming.
And there we have a wild hibiscus flower margarita. There you go, hon.
No straw?
No straw, that looks nice.
Just kidding.